How you want to start?
Welcome to the Countdown Quickie, where I give you a trending topic in a jiffy. It's your girl Danger, and without further ado, let's get right into today's topics. Alright, so for today, we will be discussing the release of the Bob Marley movie trailer and Instagram slapback on Twitter with the brand new app called Threads. Alright, burritos. So sometime last year, it was shared with the public that there will be a Bob Marley biopic coming out. And ever since it was shared, a lot of casting calls were done right around the island. Many persons were joining lines to see if them can get them little bus and get a little small role or a little part in this Bob Marley movie. Now, after the audition process, some amount of the movie was shot in Jamaica. And so what happened was that there were a few instances where people even saw, the crew set up taking shots of different random places in Jamaica just so that they can incorporate the culture properly into the movie. And so after all of that long process, finally, the Bob Marley movie trailer was released. Burritos, gonna take a little glimpse.
Bob, they try to kill you and your wife. And now you're choosing to return to Jamaica to play a peace concert? Don't you fear for your life?
So we gonna walk through the roads of creation.
My life is not important to me.
Are you satisfied
My life is for people.
with the life you're living?
Do you really think this world will make it?
Yes. There's no other way.
Exodus.
Whoa, honestly, burritos, when I watched that trailer, it just felt so wholesome. I loved the storytelling in terms of the shots, and the trailer itself took you on a mini journey of Bob Marley's lifestyle and gave you an idea of what the entire movie will be about. I also enjoyed the use of music throughout the entire trailer. It started out with "Me say we're jamming," and then when it reaches that point now when the main character meets up on the problems, you find that it went into the song Exodus, movement of Ja people, and even that was one of the key moments that I enjoyed throughout the trailer. And not only that, they told us about the story without giving away way too much. Even though most of us are aware of what Bob Marley's story was like, at the end of the day, some of us aren't. And so I love that the trailer gave an idea of what is to come without giving too much of the storyline away. Honestly, burritos, my only one fault with this trailer is the fact that it was way too long. 2 minutes 58 seconds. Now I understand that it is a biopic, but come on, man. Them could have chopped off the little 58 seconds. It could have been just 2 minutes alone and still have that great impact. But yeah, man, other than that, overall, I absolutely loved it. Not to mention, hey, burritos, Mrs. Some of my friend them in it, the scream I screamed. I saw a few familiar faces and I was just absolutely overjoyed to see that, them incorporate some of the Jamaican young upcoming actors into this film. But sound off in the comment section down below. On a scale of 1 to 10, how much do you rate this trailer? And are you happy with the casting of the main characters? Kingsley Ben Adair, who plays Bob Marley, and Lashana Lynch, who plays Rita Marley. Me not gonna lie, I was kind of doubting Kingsley just a little toops, but having seen the trailer, him accent get a pass. Him get a pass. But burritos, sound off in the comment section down below. Moving right along into the next story. Alright, burritos. So recently, Elon Musk posted a tweet addressing the extreme levels of data scrapping and system manipulation taking place on the Twitter app, right? And he stated that they will be applying the following temporary limits moving forward. Una take a listen. Verified accounts are limited to reading 6,000 posts per day. Unverified accounts to 600 posts per day. And new unverified accounts to 300 posts per day. And burritos, when Elon Musk posted this tweet, It was the beginning of absolute madness. Chaos was taking place on Twitter. People were voicing their opinions, and for the most part, these opinions were unhappy ones. Now, Burritos, in the middle of this storm, Instagram decided that them going cook up a little something, and lo and behold, bright and early Friday morning, it was released. This app called Threads. No man, Burritos, we have to give Instagram a round of applause. Now, what Threads is, it is this platform for real-time conversations and sharing, which is pretty much similar to Twitter. And not only that, the interesting thing about Threads is that your account is directly linked to Instagram once you open it. So for instance, you can easily link your Instagram bio to your Threads account. When you download the app, you will also see a list of all the persons you follow on Instagram. But yes, man, Burritos, Instagram wasted no time. They saw where their competitor fell short and them say, listen, we are not going to allow this prime opportunity to pass. But then, Burritos, you know that Twitter is not going to just sit down and allow this to happen. Twitter decided that, listen, we are going to clap back at you. And so what happened was that Twitter threatened to take legal action over Meta's new social media service. And they sent out a little letter. Let me read it for you. Dear Mr. Zuckerberg, I write on behalf of X Corp, as successor in interest to Twitter Inc., based on recent reports regarding your recently launched Threads app. Twitter has serious concerns that Meta Platforms has engaged in systematic, willful, and unlawful misappropriation of Twitter's trade secrets and other intellectual property. Yeah, man, Burritos says a long letter, but that is pretty much the first part of it. Honestly, Burritos, at the end of the day, what I believe about this entire situation is that the technology world is a really dangerous space. But to kind of handle the situation a bit better, what Twitter should have probably do is say, boy, we're going to take extra precautions. We're going to ensure that persons have to, go through a longer process when they're coming onto the app. Them should have find another way to solve the situation other than lessening the amount of tweets users can see each day. But yeah, man, Burritos, let me know what you think in the comment section down below. Do you think that this new Threads app is going to stay for a long while, or you think it's just a little quick something and it soon die down? And do you think that Elon Musk was right in the way he handled the Twitter situation? Sound off in the comment section down below. And that is it for today's Countdown Quickie. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. It's your girl Danger signing out.